Alright, so our second graders are working on their first day of bowling with the bowling carpets. We're using 6 pins and we're playing a game called Blackout Bowling. 6 pins allows them to rotate through the positions faster because there's less pins to set up. They'll take 1 shot and then the scorekeeper will mark down the number of pins that are knocked over on their scorecard. The pin setter will set up the pins and then take the ball and go become the bowler. So they'll work on taking turns and working on that rotation through the different positions, trying to fill up their entire scorecard. So let's go take a look at what that scorecard looks like. Looks good. We've got a bunch of numbers marked off already. So the bowler will bowl based on the number of pins knocked down. The scorekeeper marks it off on the sheet, and then they rotate positions. Our positions are listed up here so the kids can kind of follow the rotation of bowler, scorer, pin setter, and ball returner. And when their entire sheet is marked off, they've completed the activity. Oh, Gianna went to the bathroom. Should be back in a minute. Ooh, close. We have any zeros left on the scorecard? All the zeros have already been filled. Okay, that's all right. I do put a few zeros on there just in case we roll and happen to go off to the side. Nice, Henry. So a 5. You got any more 5s? Oh, there's one. Nice. It's getting full. And that's a look at Blackout Bowling with our second graders.